Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to test my Big Boy. People who don't know about Big Boy is one of my biggest build. This is a 2 meter wingspan plane and made with plywood and balsa. So this is completely a perfect flying plane. I tested this before. So this time I kind of upgraded my landing gear. So I want to test that and see the result. So that's what we are going to do today. So stay tuned, watch the full video. All my friends are here for supporting me, and before flying we need to do some basic checks.
ഇതിൽ സെൽഫി ഓപ്ഷൻ ഇല്ലല്ലോ ആശാന് എന്നെ സംശയിക്കാതിരിക്കൂ.
This time we are flying from a different location. Actually it's the same ground, but we are flying from the corner of the ground. So we have some confusion about takeoff and landing, so we just planning for that.
Probably like go somewhere in this
Or from there to here, right? From there to here.
So
don't come towards us, that's it.
The same thing
Yeah.
in
oh, tension.
Yeah, that's what I felt like. I was confused.
okay. So we used to go around if something goes wrong.
In some country.
No, I'll see. Now I don't want to catch any line. No, just bring it down.
So go there and bring landing here so that you can turn around before this tree somewhere something.
Yes.
So Kanan and Ram is chasing my plane with FPV drones. So we got some amazing shots. So let's watch that. Our landing gear test result was not that great because while landing it's kind of broken. So we had to check exactly what is the issue. The recent welding what we done on the landing gear was not that great, so we had to find some other alternative way, or we had to weld it properly. So let's see what we can do. Stay tuned, I'll be coming with more update on this. So whoever is not following my channel, please subscribe it, and see you in the next video.